guys, it's Foxy Hayden 08 here, back with another video, and yeah. Right here, you see my friend right here, Coding BM. He has a YouTube channel. You should go subscribe to him. Just say coding underscore BM. Alright. And also, let's see here. Just thinking of stuff to do right now. Also, I have Roblox Plus. Here, I'll show you how to get Roblox Plus. So you have to have Google Chrome, see? Okay, and then type in Roblox Plus. But don't spell it out like that. Just put a plus, Roblox Plus. Okay, and then it'll have a bunch of just stuff. And then right here, I'll say Roblox Plus, Google Plus. So click that. It'll bring you to the Google Chrome web store. Wait. Oh, this is not it. Wrong thing. I think I clicked the wrong thing. That's not real Roblox Plus. Roblox Plus, right here. I think. Should be it. Nope. So just try to find. Here we go. This is it. Nope, that's not it. That is not Roblox Plus. I think this might be it. No. Chrome Web Store. Here we go. This is it. Yeah, this is it. So you're gonna see this Roblox Plus. All you gotta do is press Add to Chrome. Since I already have it, it says Added to Chrome. But that's how you get it. And you can get if you have enough Robux, you could go to here, press that, and then you could go and then put on different backgrounds if you go to the settings in there. And I'm not gonna go to my settings because then it'll tell my email, so I'm not gonna do that. But this is really helpful if you're like a trader that you like to trade a lot and stuff like that. You could go to here, and then you could get whatever friend you want, and then hold their picture. Hold their picture, and it'll get their picture, bring it up here, and put it there. Then it'll show up this. Then you can see all their limiteds and stuff like that. I'm using Coding BM as an example because he's one of my friends. Alright, so if I want to look up Linkmon 99, press players, and then you could go to his profile, and then get this up, press that, and then all you gotta do, press and hold, So you get his picture, bring it up here, put it there. This will pop up. Then his items will pop up under it. And then you'll see all of his items. Donis Imperius, I think that's how you pronounce it. Blues Sparkle Time Fedora, Dominus Astra, Rainbow Shaggy, Dominus something, Dominus Rex, Dominus Green Sparkle Time Fedora, Dominus Vespertilio. See, all that stuff, you know. So yeah, that's Roblox Plus. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys and then talk to you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Night.